And on the right hand side, all the way from Taiwan, from LimitlessIQ, Super Anthony. And on the left hand side, all the way from Taiwan, from Leo Robot, give it up for Leo 28. Alright, so we have both robots on the battlefield. Robots ready?
Round 1. Fight!
It looks like both robots are down. And it is a draw for round number 1.
Round 2. Fight!
Ooh, and Blaster Super Anthony just fell down. And Blaster Super Anthony back with a sidekick. And it looks like that win goes to Blaster Super Anthony.
Round 3. Fight!
And Blaster Super Anthony just fell down. He was knocked out of the ring. Alright, so it looks like he's back up again. And it appears he may be taunting Leo. Not sure what's going on over here. Oh, and Super Anthony just fell down. Looks like we're going to have to start that count. And Leo is the winner of this round. Good job, Leo.
Round 4. Fight!
Oh, and both robots are down. So we're going to start that count. And once again, another draw.
Round 5. Fight!
Leo is down once again. Can he get up?
Oh, he's up.
Oh, and Super Anthony back at him with another sidekick. Let's see that in instant replay. And wow, that was intense. And it looks like Blaster Super Anthony wins this round. Good job, Blaster Super Anthony.
Round 6. Fight!
Leo just grabbed Super Anthony and just pulled him down. Looks like both robots are down, and it is a draw.
My guy's completely destroyed.
Round 7.
2, 1, go.
Fight!
Oh, and both robots are back down again.
My guy might be up. Oh, he's up. But he can get up.
Alright, looks like Blaster Super Anthony may be down. Let's go and start that count. And he's back up again. Heavy blow. Looks like Leo may be down. Let's go and start that count. And there you have it with that final uppercut. It looks like Blaster Super Anthony is the winner. And if you guys want to see anybody else fight, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.